if you just get a new iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max and you want to know how to take a screenshot, there are two ways. For now, all you have to do, you need to click on the volume up and power button at the same time, just like that, and now it is taking a screenshot and you can save into your phone. One more way is to use the virtual button, where you can go to setting, go to accessibility, and here you're gonna go into touch and you're gonna enable access to touch, and now you're gonna see the little button here. Just go ahead and click on it, click on device and click on more, and you have an option for screenshot, just like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.